What's up, folks? Welcome back to my shop of messy benches. So yeah, shift collar. So I did actually, this was my first attempt. It was let's focus here. It was really bad. Like, I was overthinking it. Like, I tried to fix what I was doing. So yeah, pay no attention to that side. This side, however, like, once I figured it out, it's so stupid simple. Like, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I'm trying to figure out with shop math or shop math. And really, this was actually really simple once I figured it out. Well, I started out good on this side, but that first cut looked so freaking wrong for some reason that I started overthinking the whole process. And like, I got file marks and makes it look a little bit weird, but I assure you, it's see, we can't make it look a little more right there. Like, that's the teeth. It's gonna be way deeper than that. Like, I got to go down probably 200 thou just about for all these teeth, and I got to do the same with the gears. So when you shift it over, those engage with the gear, and this drives the lead screw, and the gears are what turn in, so that engages with that, and that turns the lead screw. Simple, right? So I made a new one of these. I wasn't thrilled about it, but I had to, obviously, because I was using the lovely parting tool again. Anyways, so yeah, let's throw the end mill in there. We'll get her centered out, and hopefully we'll get a shift collar made tonight. I am also gonna have to. I'm thinking I'm going to broach that out a little bit, maybe. If not, I'm just going to make a couple brass pins, I'm thinking, and drill into the key stock as well. And that'll be the safety feature. So in the event of a crash or something like that, it'll just shear off those brass pins. Or something like that. Something like that. That's what I'm thinking of doing. I'm hoping that works out. Like, it'll have to be a pretty snug fit. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how she pans out. If not, then I'll just have to broach it out and do it the same way. But like, if I broach it out and then put the key stock in there, it won't be able to shear off like I have intended it to do. Because now we don't have any safety features good with the steel gears. If she crashes, she's going to crash bad. So that'll be this little safety feature, I'm thinking. It should work, depending on how big of a brass pin I could put in there. Brass or something. Yeah. So I'm going to head over to the lathe and center out a new piece in my little indexer there. And let's start cutting. was weird. Holy fuck, spindle hot. That's not good. What the fuck? Okay, so that was kind of really freaking scary. And like, I knew it was getting warm, but it's never gotten hot like that before. I got this nut on here, and I'm wondering if I shouldn't have put some relief on there. It might be tightening this, inadvertently tightening this up. Yeah, that does snug it up. So, I don't know. That is definitely what's doing it, though, somehow. Compressing the threads in there. So I am going to have to take that down. Oh, man. I don't really want to... I might just have to leave it for now. We'll just do this light. Keep an eye on the damn thing. Because I got to finish this cut at least. Before... just a little snug. That's not bad. Hopefully that don't come loose. I don't think it will. Son of a bitch. That scared the hell out of me. That's all I need is to break my lathe some more. Alright, now where were we? Said getting the shit scared out of us here. Okay, first cut. The second cut. Alright folks, sorry the video kind of cut out there. So yeah, phone ran out of memory, so I had to, it was shutting me down there. Okay, so we got all these parts cut though. So we're back that off. We don't really have to back it off a whole lot. It's 150 thou, I guess. The next cut will be our 50 thou cut. And now we just got to rotate it 45 degrees in the appropriate direction. So we got a 48 tooth gear on here, so 6 teeth. Okay. Now we just got to index every 12 teeth for that, but now this has to go above the center line. So that's a 3/16 end mill. So it's got to come down 188 thou to make the end mill on the other side of the center line, I believe. That's what I mean. It looks just totally wrong, but it's not. See, that's where it kind of fucks up there. Okay. Hey, so we're at 20 thou. So 100. $85, 7, 8. That should be right there. Okay. Now I'm just trying to avoid climb milling, but it's kind of impossible, to be honest. Because either going in or coming out, we're going to be climb milling. One way or the other. So just got to kind of tighten up all the gibs really good. So I can get the freaking screwdriver in there. Okay. Here goes nothing. Okay, I'm just gonna, oh, not there, definitely. I'm just gonna index to where it's gotta be so I can clean up those burrs on there. I'll have to bring it dead center. Yeah, well at first it looked kind of shitty, but maybe a second look it doesn't look half bad. We're gonna clean up those burrs on the inside there. And then we're gonna take it out and have a good look-see. And see how she turned out. I'll be right back. Alright, well there it is. Well, one end anyway. It's obviously needs some cleanup. It's pretty nasty at the moment, but actually it turned out pretty freaking good. I was a little bit off in that first cut though, a little bit, not by much, but enough that I know I could see it. But I think that'll work just fine. Like it's just gotta freaking work, you know. Once I hit it with the file a bit, maybe even stick it in the 3-jaw. That'll be our little shift collar. I got to do that to the other side yet, and then I'll have to put a small key stock in there. But yeah, I think that's you know, it's about as good as I'm gonna get it with a freaking milling attachment, a homemade milling attachment. I think that's gonna have to do. because a little surprised I could do 200 thou cuts with that thing. Really surprised, in fact. Let me take those burrs off there. And she actually starts to look like something. Yep, I think that'll work. It's not perfect, but I know it's not perfect. I would kill for a real mill and all that other stuff, but as a wise man once said, I'm pretty sure everyone knows who it is, you gotta piss with the cock you got. You know who you are, wise man. Alright, so there's our little gizmo. Shift collar, clutch dog. I don't know what you call it. I don't even know what this is actually called. It's kind of a weird thing. Yeah, this is the other one I cut. The idea, oh fuck, look at that. That they fit together. Like it's going to go in much deeper. But that's the idea right there. Right, so when you engage them, they just click in. Fuck, that actually works really good. I guess I got it right. Nothing wrong with that fit up. Hey, this was a practice piece. That's the really bad part. That's where I figured it out. And that's the finished product. And that's like, wow, that's perfect. That's better than I expected. Alright, folks. Now that you guys know what I'm up to here, this is going to take a while to get modify that arbor a little bit so that I can reuse it a little more often than once a day, because that's getting freaking really time consuming. And I want this fucker up and going right away here, because I got a couple little jobs that a few friends want me to do for them. And it would be great if I could do some threading. Anywho, you guys have a great night, and yeah, I'll catch you all later. Peace out.